Hi, thanks for watching. So in this video we're going to explain some tires and what to look for when working on tires. First thing is going to be the date code. This is important if you're buying a bike or you're getting ready to ride somebody's bike. This tire is 1109. So 11 is the week and '09 would be the year. So it's 2018 right now, so that's a 9-year-old tire that should be replaced. Next is the valve stem. Valve stem should be replaced with every tire change. Valve stems rot, dry rot, they get nasty and they can break off. Once your valve stem's checked, let's go ahead and check the bearings. By sticking your finger in and moving your finger in the bearing slowly, you can feel if those little ball bearings inside there are functioning properly. So next we want to check out the tire sizing. This is a 2002 GSXR 600 wheel. The proper size is a 180 55 17. 180 is the width, 55 is the height, which is 55% of the width, and 17 is the diameter of the wheel. The last number in there would be a 73W, and that's going to be the weight rating. Do not put a larger tire on your motorcycle. The motorcycle will handle terribly, and make sure that your weight rating is proper for the bike that you are riding. It's very important that you have the correct amount of weight on the tire rating. Also, don't put slime in your tire to stop a leak. Plug it or just go to the dealership and have them replace the tire. This tire is 9 years old. It's very dry rotted. There's a lot of dry rot, a lot of cracks in the rubber, and the rubber feels like plastic. You do not want to be riding on a tire that's like this. Get to the dealership and replace it. And then now you can see an aluminum valve stem and a proper date code of 2016. So I hope this helps you understand tires a little bit better. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me through YouTube. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching my video.